Hi. I've started feeling the harshness of being a self-taught developer because I get stuck and then I try to move to somewhere else and then I find something interesting in there and then I deep dive into it uh, and then I get stuck and then I try to go somewhere else and I don't know if I'm doing the right thing. I started the Odin project, which is amazingly well built, but it's gotten me to Git and GitHub and the terminal and Linux and Ubuntu, and I'm learning like another whole bunch of skills, which is like, yeah, but I want to do one thing properly, and I was just like, I keep on getting more and more info about more and more things, and I feel a bit lost. Good thing about it is I'm not surrendering, I'm not quitting, and I'm going for it. But sometimes I just feel like overwhelmed and lost. Too sudden, too often.